Hi, now I'm going to show you how to create your first blog post with Zonelets. From your dashboard, navigate to the Posts folder. Create a new file, and now we're going to have to follow this particular date format where we have 4 characters for the year, then a hyphen, 2 characters for the month, 2 characters for the day, and then we're going to create the post title with hyphens in between the words. Don't forget to write .html at the end. Let's edit our post template in a new tab and my first post in a new tab. Navigate to the post template. Select everything in here. Copy it. Now head over to my first post. This has some automatic text that NeoCities creates when you make a new HTML file. We're going to select everything and replace it. For now, ignore most of what's going on here and just focus on this middle section here. There's an opening p tag and a closing p tag with a slash in front of the p. So we're going to replace this text with our first blog writing. Hello. This is my first blog post. I love blogging. I will talk here about my collection of rare snails. When you finish entering some text, click Save and View. Here's your post. If we go home though, you'll see that we can't link to the post we just created. It still only links to our post template. It's not even in the archive. Let's fix that now. Let's head back to the posts folder, which we can do by clicking over here. Click on Rename for my first post. We're not actually going to rename it. We just want to select all the text in here and copy it. Now head home. Click on Scripts, and we're going to open our script file for the first time. Scroll down to section 2, Posts Array. Each time you write a new post, you're going to add it to the posts array so that it'll appear in the list of posts. Right now, the posts array links to posttemplate.html. But we don't really want that because that's just an example for us to use. It's not really our post. Select the text inside the quotes here and paste to replace it with the title and file path of the post that we just created. Now hit Save. Back on our blog's homepage, let's refresh the page. And now you can see we've replaced the link to the template with my first post. Let's click on it. You'll notice that it looks different now. Since we've added this post to the posts array, it now automatically displays the title of the post. Each time you want to add a new post to your script, be sure you're following the format closely of the examples that are commented. If we have another post that looks like this, we got to make sure that there are these square brackets and that there's a comma separating each post. If we save the file now and go back to our home page and refresh the page, we'll see that this adds a link to my second post example. But it goes to our page not found page because my second post example doesn't really exist. This is just an example so that you can see the format for the posts array. Now you know how to create new posts and add them to the posts array. Thanks for watching.